This next video, ang pag-usapan natin is yung market shift, kung saan siya magtra-transition into a downtrend. So, bago siya mag-downtrend in this area, let's say we came from a uptrend, right? Kailan siya mag-downtrend? Okay, yung dito sa area na to, magkakaroon siya ng range, right, in this area. Okay? Kapag ang nangyari, yung high na to, hindi siya nag-higher high than this high, okay, and then gumawa siya ng possible na higher low in this area. Kasi kung titignan natin, hindi pa siya nag-ano dito hindi pa siya, kumbaga, covered pa lang yung area na to, no? So kung titignan natin, kung i-cover natin yan, wala pa lang. So ito pa lang, tong area na to, possible pa lang siya na higher low, or let's say, sabihin natin higher low siya sa daily or 4 hours. So pwedeng ganon. Pero at the moment, no, na gumawa siya ng high pero hindi siya tumaas from this high, okay, that will be your market shift na tinatawag. Or kung titingnan natin dito, nag-transition siya into downtrend, right? Kasi hindi na siya tumaas from this high or from this high. Okay, that's your shift. So basically, kung ito-drawing natin siya, ganyan. So, yung shift from this area is yung area na to. Okay? Yung high na to, hindi na siya nag-higher high from this highs. Okay? So, yon. So, coming from a downtrend naman, if we are going from a downtrend, nag-range yung area na yan, and then, nag-shift, and then, gumawa ng higher low, then, ganyan. So, yung shift from this area, from this downtrend to this uptrend is where the shift happens. Okay? Or yung transition na tinatawag. Okay? So, yung transition na to makikita mo sa mga lower time frames or any time frames. Ano? So, be it daily, 4 hour, weekly. Ano? So, yan. So, as long as ma-identify mo yung structure ng market, pag may nakita kang pattern na ganito, or let's say, na-break niya, no, yung mga structural highs and lows, yan yung shift. Ibig sabihin, downtrend na tayo from this point. Uptrend na tayo from this point. Okay? So, yun yung market shifts na.